expression language JSP resolver hierarchy in Jakarta server pages. Here you can see JSP resolver hierarchy. The EL API, the expression language EL API provides a generalized mechanism for mechanism and EL resolver implemented by the JSP container, and which define the rules that govern the resolution of variables and object properties. EL resolver shown in this figure is passed to all EL expressions that appear in an JSP page or tag file. It is an instance of jakarta.el.composite resolver that contains the following component EL resolvers in order. One, the JSP dot implicit object resolver implicit object EL resolver resolves the implicit objects to the EL resolvers added via JSP application context dot add resolver. Add EL resolver in the same order which they were registered. This itself can take the form of EL dot composite EL dot composite EL resolver. This will include EL resolver registered by phases. Three, EL resolver returned by expression factory dot get EL resolver. Sorry, EL resolver returned by expression factory dot get stream EL resolver. For jakarta.el.static field resolver. Five, jakarta.el.map EL resolver. Constructed in read-write mode. Jakarta EL dot resource bundle EL resolver. Jakarta EL dot list EL resolver. Constructed in read-write mode. Jakarta EL dot array EL resolver. Constructed in read-write mode. Jakarta EL dot bean EL resolver. Constructed in read-write mode. Handles all cases where base not equal null. JSP dot scoped attribute EL resolver handle cases where base equal null, base double equal null. Provide the map for other identifiers by looking up its value as an attribute according to behavior of page context dot find attribute string on the page context object. For example, $sign open curly brace product close curly brace. This expression will look for the attribute named product, search the page, request, session and application scopes, and will return its value of if the attribute is found. JSP.import EL resolver handle cases where base equal null and base double equal null, and property represents the represent an imported class or static import. JSP dot not found EL resolver always resolve the requested value, returning null. Here you can see EL composite resolver. Under that, esp.implicit object EL resolver, and el.composite EL resolver, and el.map EL resolver, el.resource bundle EL resolver, el.list EL resolver, el.array EL resolver, el.bean EL resolver, el.scoped attribute EL resolver, JSP.scope attribute EL resolver, JSP.import EL resolver, JSP.notFound EL resolver. Under el.composite EL resolver, you can see JFS's el.composite EL resolver and other EL resolvers added via JSP application context.add EL resolvers. Under EL resolver, under JSF's el.composite resolver, you can see JSF.implicit object EL resolver, JSF.manageBean EL resolver, EL resolvers in face-config.xml, JFS.variable resolver chain wrapper, so supports legacy JFS variable resolvers. JFS.property resolver chain wrapper supports legacy JFS property resolvers. EL resolvers from application.add EL resolver. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.